Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into DOC. The ticker is DOCK versus Tether, okay? Once again, before I continue, I just want to say thank you for your support. Really do appreciate it. Thank you across the board for your support in the Telegram, the Patreon, the Twitter, everything, okay? Really do appreciate it. And the level of support we've got across the board is amazing, and the comments and everything. We're so pleased that the channel's grew into what it is and you're finding it helpful, okay? So right now, the chart on the left is DOC and the chart on the left is Solana, and you know that that's absolutely blowing up at the moment. Everyone's FOMOing into Solana because it's doing really, really well. But what I want to do is tell you why I notice these breakouts. People say, why did you see the breakout on Avalanche? Why did you see the breakout on Sol? Why are you seeing the breakout on these coins? Because it's really easy to see. When you're coming up in forming a horizontal triangle like this, and you're breaking key levels of resistance and holding a support, that's confirmation that you're breaking out, okay? So right now, DOC is breaking out, okay? And you can see how quickly Sol appreciated from the 29th of July when I put that video out and put all the trades and this chart in the Discord, on the Twitter, and everything like that. You know, not always going to be right, but when you're creating these beautiful little patterns and you're breaking out of key levels of resistance, you know, like you did here for Sol, sorry, and you're creating a bullish cross, a buy and go to the beat signal from CoinsKid. When you're doing things like that, that's bullish, okay? That is bullish. And obviously it's not going to get there overnight, but Sol absolutely melted faces. It went up to a price prediction and more, and it's, you know, it's on its way basically. And currently it's up a whopping 129%. But I think our forecast was around about $66, to be honest with you, and that was a 180% trade, which was fruitful within a couple of weeks, basically. So right now, DOC is doing exactly the same thing. You've come up and you've created a horizontal triangle in the sense that you're getting lower highs and higher lows. You're coming into some sort of apex, which you've already broken out here for DOC, okay? You've broken out its key level of resistance just here. You've come up, you've ran back into it as support, and with that, you're forming a bullish cross, a buy and go to the beat signal from CoinsKid just there, okay? So you can see how pretty similar it's actually playing out, and we've got volume to back the breakup as well, which is what you want to see. So it's looking relatively good, isn't it? You know, so I'm bringing you this little update. If we can continue to break here, here's your technical target for DOC, from there to there, from the low to there. So you can see that you're breaking out right now, and this is your technical target, just as that was your technical target for Sol. Look, from there to there, your first point of contact down to the resistance level at which you made, that's your technical target, and you can see that's why we had that $66 technical target and forecast for Sol, and it was met. So as long as you keep adhering to structural support, you know, and you're breaking resistance and backtesting and holding support, which you did here for Sol, you know, as long as you do that for DOC, you're looking at continuation, and you're looking at a lovely little trade here of around about, from this moment here, you're looking at a lovely little trade of around about 82%. Now with that, you're going to come up and you're going to break that high, obviously, like Sol's done, and backtest and hold a support, because you do have another technical target for DOC just here. I'm just going to drop it in for you based off fib. So this is a low, and you're tracing to the high right now. So you can see you're running into the 0.618. Okay, you're running into the golden ratio. You actually hit it a few times there as resistance. Do you see that? So you're struggling to get through it, but the thing that's creeping you up at the moment is the previous resistance you was under of the horizontal is now turning in support, and with that equally you're starting to move up with the EMAs on the daily time frame. You're holding a support, so this is golden. Some kind of break is going to come relatively soon, just like it did here. Look, you look at Sol, you came up, you hit the 0.618, you kept coming back to the EMAs, but eventually, you know, that's some kind of ascending triangle on the 4 hour or whatever if we zoom in, but then you broke it and you was away. So, you know, if you're waiting for a confirmation statement on DOC, just wait for a break at a 0.618, which is at 0.932284. That's your break confirmation, and that's where you'll be looking at that potential upside for DOC, and potentially going on to new highs here and breaking this all-time high at 18 cents. And with that, you've got a Fibonacci extension target of 54 cents, and that's the 1618, okay? So from here right now, if you get that break, you're looking at a lovely 489% upside for DOC, okay? Just like Sol, it's on its way, isn't it? And it's holding back testing support. It's having a little bit of a cool down right now, which is to be expected, to be honest with you. It's getting a little bit overeating, a little bit extended from the EMAs. And, you know, this is the setup. You know, how similar is it? The horizontal. Do you see that? So it's very, very similar. And this is why these are really, really tradable, okay? When you get the break, you get the confirmation of a break. You can see there you got a little bit of extended, roll back support, resistance support, you come towards some apex, and you're actually breaking out, and you're holding this previous resistance as support on the EMAs on a daily. This is really, really good, you know, really, really good. So yeah, that's the price prediction for DOC, a little update that could work out a nice little trade for you. But the technical target out of this horizontal that we're in on dark is 0.171, so upside potential from the break just there is roughly a further 78% target trade to our technical target that we are now in. So yeah, that's dark. I hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, and once again, thank you for your support. Okay, really do appreciate it. The level of support we get is amazing. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another doc update. Thank you.